Good morning. I am Anil Agarwal, former Chief Minister of Punjab National Bank. So, we all are worried about the job market. Now it is almost 4 months when the lockdown was imposed in our country and the first case of coronavirus came. Now we have reached the 10 lakh level. Now the fear of corona has definitely impacted various segments and number of activities are not operating at full level. When sales are not happening, manufacturing is at low level, naturally it is impacting the job market also. If we look at exports, if we look at imports, if we look at GDP, even now some people are saying that GDP may fall as high as 6%, 7%. Yesterday figures of Singapore came and their GDP has fallen by 41% in first quarter. So entire world is now struggling with restoring economic activity. So what will be the position of job market? That is a question that comes to our mind. Here we have to see what type of activities are being carried and what are carried at a lower level and what are restricted. Banking is doing its own business with full-fledged opening of branches. All the branches are functional. Insurance sector is also functioning. In manufacturing, some manufacturing units are functional, some are operating at lower level and some are closed also. IT sector also activity is going on. In shopping centers, small level shops are open, some malls are closed, cinema halls are closed, gyms are closed. So number of activities are closed. The tourism is almost closed. Very few people are traveling from here to there. Transport sector is also closed. So in such circumstances, only banking and insurance are two sectors which is still working and there are employment opportunities in these two. That means jobs will come in these sectors, but the only impediment is how to hold the examination. And that is putting off the dates of examination. So what is the take from this? The take from this is we should prepare for these examinations and as and when exam dates are announced, we are ready to appear in that. So that is my advice. Be ready for bank exams, be ready for insurance exams. अब यही बातें हम हिंदी में करेंगे. अगर हम जॉब मार्केट को देखें तो काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग पोजीशन है.